Hi, this is Óskar Bragi, you're watching Speak Viking on YouTube, and my subscribe button is just the best. It's amazing, go check it out. Hi, I'm Óskar Bragi, and I'm gonna teach you 5 essential Icelandic phrases that are gonna make your trip to Iceland smoother and more authentic. Iceland might be known for its dramatic landscapes and beautiful northern lights, but what many don't realize is that our language is one of the oldest and best preserved languages in the world. It's actually very similar to what the Vikings spoke. And although most Icelanders speak English very proficiently, using these phrases will help you immerse yourself deeper into the culture, and knowing them might just lead to warmer and more fulfilling interactions. Góðan daginn, góðan daginn, góðan daginn. Good morning, good day. This is a versatile greeting you can use throughout the day. You can use góðan daginn or góðan dag until 6 p.m., at which point you will switch to gott kvöld. Takk fyrir, takk fyrir, takk fyrir. This is something to use after receiving something or receiving a service of some kind. Gratitude in Iceland is expressed simply but genuinely. After dining in someone's home, you can say Takk fyrir mig, and this will show that you not only appreciate the food, but the entire experience of being hosted. So try saying Takk fyrir mig, thank you for me, after a meal. Má ég fá, má ég fá, má ég fá, can I have? For ordering or requesting items. This is your go-to phrase for ordering anything. Using this phrase will show politeness while matching our direct communication style. Má ég fá. Here are just a few examples. Má ég fá kaffibolla? Can I have a cup of coffee? Má ég fá rúgbrauð? Can I have rye bread? Má ég fá matseðilinn? Can I have the menu? Má ég fá handklæði? Can I have a towel? So simply say má ég fá and then fill in the thing that you wish for. Sound good? Okay, let's keep going. Hvar er? Hvar er? Hvar er? Where is? Use this for asking directions or specific locations. You can combine the phrase with specific landmarks. Example, hvar er bankinn? Where's the bank? Hvar er sundlaugin? Where's the swimming pool? Hvar er Hallgrímskirkja? Where is Hallgrímskirkja? And you can always use this construction and then simply fill in the landmark or location that you're looking for. Hvar er? Overall, Icelanders definitely want to help out travelers, people visiting the country. So don't be surprised if you use this phrase if people are going to be extra helpful. And finally, we have skál, 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 cheers. This is used for toasting in social gatherings, mostly. And the word actually means bowl, and it refers back to the ancient tradition of sharing a drink from a bowl. And today it's essential for social gatherings. Til hamingju, congratulations on learning all these 5 phrases. Now you're ready to engage with Icelanders in everyday interactions. Remember that these phrases are not only a shortcut to getting what you want, they might just be a way for you to experience the place in a deeper and more rich fashion. Icelanders are very proud of the language and the culture, and so they are going to appreciate this gesture on your behalf more than you can imagine. Gangi þér vel, that means good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Takk fyrir og bless bless. Takk fyrir glápið, thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.